Today's Kids Academy. Hey, hey! Come and learn with T. Today's Kids is on.
Hi guys, welcome back to Spelling Adventure with Miss Fee. If you know what this is, point to the letter on the screen. This is a rat. What letter is missing in rat? If you said R, you're right. This is mat. Mat. If you said T, you're right. Let's spell mat together. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Good job, guys. Tap the letter if you know this word. Fat. This word is fat. What letter is missing in fat? At. If you said A, you're right. Fat. F-A-T. Spell it with me. F-A-T. Tap the letter that's missing in wet. This is wet. If you said W, you're right. Wet. W-E-T. Spell it with me. W-E-T. Wet. Can you guess the letter that is missing in pet? Pet. What letter is missing in pet? If you said the letter T, give yourself a pat on the back. You're right. This one is jet. What letter is missing in jet? If you chose E, you're right. Let's spell jet together. J-E-T. Jet. This word is net. Net. I hear T. If you said T, hooray! You're right. The T is missing in net. Let's spell it together. N-E-T. Net. What letter completes the word nut? Nut. If you said N, you're right. Nuts. Spell it with me. N-U-T. Nuts. Tap the letter on the screen. That completes the word cut. Cut. What letter is missing in cut? If you said the letter U, you're right. Cut. Spell it with me. C-U-T. Cut. Can you spell bat? What letter is missing when you spell bat? B-at. Bat. B. B says B. Bat. Good job. Can you spell hat? What letter is missing when you spell hat? At. Woohoo! A. A says at. Hat. Good job. Can you spell cat? At. Cat. What letter is missing when you spell cat? T. Good job. Cat. C-A-T. Pan. What letter is missing when you say pan? Pan. Hey, good job.
I'm learning how to spell. One little
Bag. Bag. Can you spell bag? What letter do you hear that's missing? Bag. G. Good job. G says G. Sun. Can you spell sun? What letters do you hear when you say sun? S. Good job. S makes the sound sun. S-U-N. Sun. Pig. Pig. Can you spell pig? What letters do you hear when you say pig? If you chose G, you're right. Pig. G makes the G sound. P-I-G. Fan. Fan. Can you spell fan? What letters do you hear when you say fan? If you chose N, you're right. N makes the sound. Fan. Bug. Bug. What letter is missing? When you say bug, what sounds do you hear? If you chose U, you're right. B-U-G. Bug. Tap the letter that completes the word. This is a box. Box. What letter is missing in box? Did you find the letter that completes the word box? Did you pick B? Good job. Box. Spell it with me. B-O-X. Box. Tap the letter that completes the word B. This is a B. What letter is missing in B? Did you pick E? E. E is the missing letter in B. Let's spell it. B-E-E. B. Good job, guys. Tap the letter that completes the word C. C. What letter is missing in C? What letter is missing in C? Did you choose S? C. Correct. Now let's spell C. S-E-E. C. Good job, guys. Tap the letter that completes the word jar. This is a jar. 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 What letter is missing in jar? R. Did you pick R? R is the missing letter in jar. Good job, guys. You're smart. Tap the letter that completes the word fix. Fix. Which one of these letters makes the X sound? X. Fix. Did you say X? X makes the X sound. Let's spell fix. F-I-X. Fix. Tap the letter that's missing in the word fry. Fry. Let's see if you guess it right. R is the missing letter in fry. Can you spell fry with me? F-R-Y. Fry. Good job, guys. Tap the missing letter in air. Air. What sound do you hear at the end of air? Let's see if you guess right. R is the missing letter in air. Air is spelled A-I-R. Air. Good job, guys. You guys are smart. Tap the letter that's missing in arm. Arm. What letter is missing in arm? A is the missing letter in arm. Let's spell arm. A-R-M. Arm. Tap the letter that completes the word pen. Pen. What sound is missing in pen? Pen. Let me see if you can guess it. Did you guess N? Pen. Spell pen with Miss Thee. P-I-N. Pen. Good job, guys. You guys did amazing at spelling adventure. I knew you'd do great. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.